Dear students, today we are going to learn the important and motivational topic, that is be smart. And after learning this lesson, we will get the answer of the questions, the difference between smart work and the hard work. The writer says that champions aren't made in gyms. They are made in deep inside them. They need desire, dream, and a vision. These are the important qualities. Desire, a dream, and a vision. Champions or winners aren't created in gym. They have some qualities. They have the skill and the strong will. The writer says that the will must be stronger than the skill. We need will than the skill. The will must be stronger than the will. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. Thrive means prosper. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. Successful professionals have skill and strong will. We all have good qualities. If we use those talents to set our goal, then we get success. So, we have to set our goals. We have to use God gift talent. We have some talent and we have to use that talent to achieve our target. Action should be taken on a particular time. The writer says that action should be taken on a particular time. Setting goals has two valuable assets, a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. To illuminate means enlighten, म्हणजे प्रकाशित करणे. तर इथे लेखक म्हणतात आहे की आपण जर आपल्या बुद्धी कौशल्याचा स्किलचा उपयोग केला टू अचीव अवर टार्गेट, आपलं ध्येय गाठण्यासाठी, तर आपण निश्चितच जीवनामध्ये यशस्वी होऊ. So, two qualities are important. The first is illuminate the path. The goals put one at the helm of life. At the helm of means in charge of. Goals put one at the helm of life. Pursuing them acknowledges a better future situation. They help to steer. To steer means to channelize. Channelize करणे. Here, channelize करणे म्हणजे योग्य दिशेने मार्गदर्शन करणे. योग्य दिशेने चालवणे. चॅनलाइज करणे म्हणजे टू स्टिअर मीन्स चॅनलाइज म्हणजे योग्य दिशेने एखादी गोष्ट ठरवणे, चालवणे, एखाद्या गोष्टीला योग्य दिशा देणे. So, the writer says that setting goals may appear easy, but for some it is quite challenging. It is challenging to set a goal. To achieve our target is very challenging. It is not easy. It is difficult. We should have two important things. The first is the sense of originality. A stepping stone means an experience or event that helps to achieve something new. It helps to enlighten the path to great success. At the helms of, in charge of means if we are in charge of our life, we have goals. Then pursuing them, acknowledgement. If we have goals, then we have skills. They help to channelize our life to right direction. Setting goals is quite challenging. It is not easy task. Then the writer says about SMART goals. SMART is describing SMART. This word S means specific. S stands for specific. M stands for measurable. A for achievable. R for realistic. And T for time bound. SMART goals have a specific rubric. Rubric means a guideline or a heading. म्हणजे त्याला म्हणतो मराठीत दिशादर्शन. रुब्रिक म्हणजे a guideline or a heading म्हणजे दिशादर्शन. Here specific means specific involves identifying a specific area for improvement. While achieving goals, we should decide specific area. It makes us easier to set a goal. It makes easier to set our goal. Then measurable. Goals make it easy to benchmark. Benchmark means the word benchmark means standard by which something can be measured or judged. Goals make it easy to benchmark. We have to know our role. Then achievable. If goals can be achieved in particular time period, that is called achievable. We should have big dream and can hope to reach those heights. आपले ध्येय उच्च असायला पाहिजे आणि ते ध्येय साध्य करायला आपल्याला प्रयत्न पण करायचा आहे. Then realistic. Realistic means when we set our goals, that time we must think about our skill, our area of experience, our area of expertise. Expecting to become in a short time, it is unrealistic. Being realistic is useful to achieve goal. We have to achieve goal. म्हणजे वास्तववादी दृष्टिकोन असेल तर ध्येय साध्य करणे सहज शक्य होते. बचावात्मक असणारे आणि धडाडी नसलेले ध्येय बहुधा वास्तववादी नसते. Then, if we are defensive and not aggressive, then our goals will not be realistic. If we want to be successful in life, then we must have the clear picture in mind to bind the picture in mind. Then, time bound. Time bound म्हणजे काल मर्यादित. For goal achievement, we must set time parameter. It increases our responsibility. One has to follow the rules within a deadline. There are the 5 steps or qualities, and these are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound. So, we can achieve our dream by vision, wishes. We must work hard to achieve our goal. These vision, wishes spark our imagination. Success is a walk in a dark. The writer says that success is a walk in a dark. We have to work hard. We must achieve our target. Visions, wishes, intentions and dreams are all very valuable. They spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. These visions, wishes, intention and dreams all spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. In order to get there, we need to bring life images down to earth. Down to earth means real, practical and plan to execute our strategies. Strategy means plan of action. The quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. Life is something like a trumpet. So, the writer says that the life is like a trumpet. So, life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Success is a walk in the dark. The writer says that. यश म्हणजे काय म्हणतात लेखक? यश म्हणजे अंधारातून केलेली वाटचाल आहे. लाईफ इज समथिंग लाईक अ ट्रम्पेट. ते एखाद्या तुतारीसारखं आहे आयुष्य, रणशिंगाप्रमाणे आहे. जर तुतारीमध्ये आपण प्राण ओतला नाही, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण साधच घातली नाही, तर आपल्याला प्रतिसाद काही मिळणारच नाही. सक्सेस इज लाईफ. सक्सेस इज अ वॉक इन द डार्क. म्हणजे अंधारातून केलेली वाटचाल आहे. फाइंडिंग द राईट footing preciously, mastering the skills and getting to the next place all depend on how we approach and tackle the problem. की आपण एखादा प्रॉब्लेम कसा टॅकल करतो, कसा हँडल करतो, कसा हाताळतो, यावरही आपलं यश अवलंबून आहे. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. आपण जिथे पोहोचायचा प्रयत्न करतो आहे, तिथे पोहोचण्याचा सगळ्यात चांगला मार्ग म्हणजे योग्य दिशेला पाऊल टाकणे. टू फाइंड द फुटिंग ऑफ अवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप. योग्य दिशेला पाय टाकणे, पाऊल टाकणे, योग्य निर्णय घेणे. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. आपण उचललेले प्रत्येक पुढचं पाऊल हे आपल्याला न डगमगता भक्कम आधार देणार असायला पाहिजे. We have to tackle our problem. We have some skills to tackle the problem. and we have to face the problems in our life. So, the writer says that they are sometimes here the writer says that we have to face problems. We must be careful about choosing our goal. Our goal must be achievable. They should be completed within the deadline. We should consider our talent and ability and then go for such a goal which will not remain incomplete and unsuccessful. The writer says that when we wish to achieve something, we must have to give time and put forth every quality and quantity of our energy. We have to prepare, plan and execute it meticulously, concentrating on your goal. We will have to put everything at stake to get fruitful results. Efforts we put in the process wholeheartedly can only give us the output, means success. Here output means success we desire. The more we walk in the direction of success, the more benefits we get. The more we work in the direction of success, the more benefits we get. आणि अशा प्रकारे प्रयत्न करताना घाबरायचं नाही, तर यशासाठी प्रयत्न करायचे असा मोलाचा संदेश आपल्याला या पाठामध्ये लेखकांनी दिलेला आहे की प्रयत्न करा, घाबरू नका, योग्य दिशेने पाऊल टाका, स्वतःच्या क्वालिटीज, कौशल्य, ॲबिलिटी, सामर्थ्य ओळखा, स्वतःच्या सामर्थ्याप्रमाणे प्रत्येक गोष्ट साध्य करा असा महत्वाचा संदेश आपल्याला या कवितेमध्ये, या पाठामध्ये लेखकाने दिलेला आहे. नाउ इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. Complete the following way with the words associated with the text and the given title. Components of success: specific, identifying area, time bound, realistic, building expertise, achievable, tracking progress. These are the components of success. Now you have to find out the answers of other questions from the text. The second is pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. So you have to find out the answers and solve this workshop after listening this audio and watching this video. Okay.